Now that we have our home page pointing to our gigs index action, the next thing that I want to do is to implement our front-end work, our front-end piece of the application. And so what I've done is here in my downloads folder, I have a job portal that I've downloaded, and this is something that I found online, and I'll link to it in the description at the bottom of my video here. But this is just a template that I found, a front-end template that I found online, and it provides me all of the files and the layouts that I'll need. So all of my homepage files, all of my sign in, sign up, what my application will look like. And again, in this course we're not covering any front-end work, so what I'll be using is just a template that I found online. And again, I'll link to that at the bottom of the video. But in here, we have our job portal folders, and it's using Bootstrap as its front-end framework. So what I want to do is open up a new folder and go into my application. So Lancer, go into App, Assets, and then we'll be taken to all of our front-end folders. So here in our CSS, back into the job portal template, I'll want to take Bootstrap Min and custom CSS and copy that over to our style sheets. And then I'll want to go into the JavaScript folder, take the Bootstrap Min JS file and put it in our JavaScripts folder of the application, our Rails application. Now just doing that, if we go into our browser and do a refresh, you'll see that it's actually formatted and that we have Bootstrap successfully implemented here. Now if we go back into our Finder here, our folders, it provides me with an index.html template. So I like to grab that, drag it into my Sublime text here, copy all of it, go into my application. So this is our Lancer, our Rails application. Go into the index.html ERB file, paste all of that. Now if I save it, now if I do refresh here, it should give me the layout, and it does. So this is all hard-coded. This is all what is provided to me via this job portal template, and simply all I did was just copy over the CSS and the JavaScript files, and then now all of this is accessible to me, and I just needed to grab the index.html template and paste it into my Rails application. So this is good. It gives me all of the nice coloring, gives me all of the layouts. It's not dynamic. Right now everything is hard-coded, so all of this right here is just hard-coded information, and we'll get to working on making that dynamic. But the next thing that I want to do before we get too far is to implement our authentication system. So the sign in, sign up, having users in the application. So we'll be using the device gem for our authentication system, and that's what we'll be doing in the next video.